Are smaller new construction homes the affordable dream come true? Let's talk about that. I've got the answer for you next, and I think you're going to like it. How you doing? Thank you for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker on the Florida Suncoast here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area. My wife Lisa and I have been in this business over 20 years together, helping people with real estate from Sarasota to Hudson and pretty much everything in between. We have a property management portfolio and help those customers and investors with their sales. And we'd love to help you too. Our mission has always been really simple, to help you get your best deal. Hit me up anytime. Together, we can make it happen. Now, back to our question. Are smaller new construction homes the affordable dream come true? If you're trying to buy a home, you know how tight affordability is right now and how it's been for the last few years. And look, my job is to help you navigate the market to make it happen and to get you that best deal. With new construction, that might be now. That's why I want to share some good news with you about these builders. Here's the thing. Home builders are building a little bit smaller homes. If you look at this graph, you can see the average size of a new build has gone down in recent years. Year after year, just a little bit. Let me explain what that means for your buying power. It is about their selling power too. Square footage is a big part of what impacts a home's price, and smaller homes tend to mean smaller price tags too. So that might give you more options in your price range in new construction. Plus, the majority of builders are still offering a lot of incentives that can help you with affordability, like mortgage rate buydowns, which could lower your monthly housing costs significantly. If you're interested in taking a look at smaller, newly built homes, let me know. We can find them. I know where to look. I'm here to help you understand what's available where you want to live, so you can make the best decision for your budget and your family. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be kind of easy, and it sure makes it a lot more fun. Hit the button, subscribe to this channel below, hit me up anytime, call 855-MR. Beach. If you are thinking about selling or you're just curious, you can see your home's estimated value. It's very quick, it's easy, and it's free at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. And of course, check out homes for sale anytime on the Florida Suncoast, on or near the beach at MrBeachHouse.com.